Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eric. As you may see in the background, this is Nina's office, and I'm taking it over. She's in bed. She told me to wake her up for this video. I said, no, you need to sleep. She thinks I'm gonna break something, but I think I got it. I've actually practiced on 2 already, so I got 1 mess up out of the way. I opened the, let's not even get into it. I'll show you guys what I've been working on and what we're going to be doing tonight in this video. So let's go ahead, get into it. Real quick, these are the keychains that I'm going to be making for you. Already practiced, as you can see. I have 2 buddies, they both do streaming. Despise One Gaming, he streams on Facebook almost every day. Double-sided. And Takes Lounge. This is actually my mess up. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, so I actually already knew this. I watched a video earlier and found this out. There's a protective film on this, and I forgot to take it off. So, as you can see, the second color took a lot better. Okay, so I'm not going to do a screen record. I'll just show you my screen. As you see, I have the logos ready, a couple photos on this one, and then I have another sheet with more photos, and these are all going to go on keychains. I was looking for templates to help me, but I couldn't find any, so what I had to do was literally I took my ruler and I measured my screen, and I have this background the exact same size as the paper that it prints out, so that's how I did it. But I'm sure there's better ways to do it. But I'm short on time, and Nina's asleep, so I don't want to wake her up and have her start up Cricut, and I'm pretty sure it's easier through Cricut. I'm not really a Photoshop pro, so let's go ahead, print these out and get going. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the photo printing. This is the first time I've printed actual pictures with this printer, so we'll see how it goes. I have for settings, I'm going to hit proceed, continue printing. For settings, I have it on picture paper on Photoshop, and the highest quality. So we'll see how it goes. It might take a while, but we'll make it quick for you. Okay guys, let's see, what do you think of the quality of these photos? Okay, and then once again the logos, they're looking pretty good. I remember anytime you have wording, you want to mirror it. I guess I should have mirrored this too, but it shouldn't affect it too much. Okay, let's go ahead and print out the other photos now. Okay guys, so first little tip, there's a plastic film covering these. Go ahead, remove those, and then get started. Yeah, let's just go ahead, rip it out, and go from there. I'm sure there's a preferred method to do this, but there's many ways to do things. Let's just get it done. Okay, so I did him in a circle last time, so let's go ahead and do this one in a square. So you can't really see it, but I could see through pretty easy. I can see through it pretty easy, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape it there and tape it with some heat tape. I don't know what's called. It's this stuff. Trying to make sure it didn't move. Don't forget to preheat your heat press. We're on 385 for 50 seconds on these bad boys. Okay, so hopefully it stayed in place. And then you just put in the heat press. Do it that way. So I'll show you what you can do when you just got all your designs on one piece.
Okay, now stand down.
Uh-oh. Having some overlap issues. Yeah, I'm gonna get a bigger piece of butcher paper. In this case, we're using parchment paper, but we forgot to buy butcher paper. Yeah, that's better. Guys, we need a new heat press. We need a new one bad. Especially if we're gonna be using it more. Alright guys, so this is the first time I've done photos with Sublimation, so I have no idea what to expect. Okay, let's start with the logos. Oh, Nita will be so mad at me right now. You see it? It's a little off to the left, but they're mock-ups, right? I still enjoy it. Let's see if I did better with this one. Alright, I think this is a keeper. I like it. Okay. The first photo. Oh wow. Guys, that is incredible. Look at that. That's incredible. Wow. I should have made the picture a little bit bigger. Only regret on that one. Adorable. Adorable. Oh no, guys. Remember I told you before there's a plastic coating, but I must have only took off one side. See what happens. It's late. Let's blame it on that. Oh my god, I forgot to take it off on both sides, but the tape took it off that side. What a mess. Oh, this quality's not gonna be the best, but you know, it still worked a little bit. Okay, so real quick, this This kit we got off Amazon came with pieces for the keychain. They're pretty simple. All you gotta do is put one in through. Go ahead, buckle it down. You don't need no extra tools. And you're in business. And there you have it. I made these, no joke. I mean, the paper printed in like 5 minutes, and then probably another 5 minutes per side, so about 15 minutes. And I could have made more. You could fit a lot more in a heat press than what I did. So you can really batch these out and make a lot of them. And they're really fun. I mean, look at the quality. That's my messed up side, but look at that clean side. I love it. Guys, this stuff's fun. If you don't have a sublimation printer, I would suggest thinking about getting one. They're very affordable, starting at 200 bucks. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to make some new stuff with your sublimation printer. Go ahead, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. And down below is links to our Facebook group, Nita Fajita. I will be on there most of the time. We can answer your questions. You can ask us questions. We'll help as best we can. If not, there's very smart and talented people in our group, so they'll probably get to the question. They'll probably get to the question answering before we do. So if we don't get to it, they'll get to it. So once again, I had a whole lot of fun. I honestly, I can't wait to make more stuff. Like, I'm looking up, like, what else can I sublimate? So, yeah, stick tuned. I'll make some more videos. Hopefully you guys like this one. I guess I better clean this up before I go to bed, or Nita's gonna wake up mad. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.